Couple of nice items here. Junk mail, that goes in the trash. eBay find from China. Ridiculous price. I'm almost out of aluminum inserts, so these are ones that I bought before. Wrong side of the blade. I don't know. So there they are, right? Oh, nicely wrapped too, huh? That's them. Oh, I cut the whole bag open. Beautiful, huh? For aluminum specifically. Oh, the picture showed a label on it. This doesn't have the label, but I don't care. Another book, Metals Handbook or whatever. This one's supposed to be in mint condition. Let's see. I hope the guy didn't make that up. What's with this? I need another blade here. This sucks. Trying to cut things open. Oh, he did put it in cardboard here to protect it. Nice, good. So I don't have to worry about cutting the book up. Alright. Oh, come on. I hate packaging, I can't tell you. Give me the book, huh? There. Junk all over the place. Ew, what happened to my jeans? I got spilled something on them. Alright, how do you open it now? Oh, he's got it taped. Oh, nice. Ooh, boy, that does look nice. Yeah, this does look pristine. He said there wasn't a signature in it. Looks like I have to clean it up a little bit, but whoa. Only 7 volumes. I think they're up to 18 or something now, but oh yeah, this was forging and casting, so business thing from a bookstore too. Wow, it's cracking, creaking. What's the date on this thing? It's 1970. Contributors and forging, right? Hammers and press for forging. Selection of hammers and presses for closed die forging, dies and die materials. Wow, all kinds of stuff. Not that I'm interested, but I couldn't resist the price. I put it in my watch list on eBay and was given a ridiculous offer. So, forging non-ferrous metals, wowee, man. Molding and casting. That is the one thing I was interested in. Sand molding, there you go. Alright. So I will be learning something from this book. What? Plaster mold casting? Oh, that's going to be interesting. I never thought of using plaster. Man, it goes on and on, huh? Permanent mold casting. Well, melting of gray iron. Production of ductile iron. Goes on quite a bit. So, yeah, the book is in really good condition. Wow, look at all this stuff. Gadgets and... oh, okay. So this is another book. I'll be looking forward to going through and seeing what's in it, but it is in great condition. Just needs a little cleanup.